How to install Microsoft Copilot. Hey guys, let's get started. Since Copilot is only accessible by limited members from Microsoft, what you can actually do is add it on visualstudio.com as an extension. So for this, first of all, open the Visual Studio or you can go to code.visualstudio.com. After that, go to the extension section from the left side panel and click on Copilot. Then click on install and restart the extension to get it. This way you can easily get it for the Visual Studio Code. Likewise, if you want it via the Chrome extension, you just have to open any of your browser, search for GitHub Copilot and click on the first link by GitHub. After this, you will see different kinds of options from which you can start up a free trial. So these are the two ways by which you can install the Microsoft Copilot. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.